Hello, future Canadians, and welcome back to the channel. If you're aiming to become a Canadian citizen, you're about to reach one of the most exciting milestones in your journey. Citizenship opens the door to full rights, access to social benefits, and the pride of carrying a Canadian passport. Plus, Canada is celebrated around the world for its inclusive culture, stunning landscapes, and strong economy. But before you can call yourself a citizen, there's one crucial step you need to conquer: the Canadian citizenship test. Don't worry though, it's completely manageable with the right preparation. In this video, we'll walk you through everything: what the test entails, who needs to take it, and the strategies to help you pass confidently, ideally on your very first attempt. So, what exactly is the Canadian citizenship test? Simply put, it's a crucial exam for permanent residents ready to take the exciting step of becoming Canadian citizens, managed by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC. The test is designed to assess your knowledge of Canada's history, values, institutions, national symbols, and the responsibilities that come with citizenship. But here's the important part: this isn't just about memorizing random facts. The purpose of the test is to ensure that new citizens truly understand how Canada's laws operate, how its democratic system functions, and the rights and responsibilities you'll hold as a citizen. It's about being informed, responsible, and ready to fully participate in Canadian society. So, who actually needs to take it? Most applicants aged 18 to 54 are required to sit for the test. If you're under 18 or over 54, you're usually exempt. And for those with verified medical or developmental conditions, IRC may grant an official waiver, so you won't be required to take it. Now, let's talk about the test format and what to expect on exam day. The Canadian citizenship test consists of 20 questions, which come in either multiple choice or true, joke, false format. To pass, you'll need to answer at least 15 correctly. That's a 75% passing score. The test is offered in either English or French, and for applicants aged 18 to 54, you'll also need to demonstrate language proficiency at Canadian language benchmark level 4 or higher. You'll have around 30 minutes to complete the exam, though some sources suggest it could be up to 45 minutes, so time management is key. You can take the test in person at an IRCC office or online with remote supervision. If you opt for the online version, make sure your internet connection is stable and your camera is ready for identity verification. Being prepared for the format and logistics will help you feel confident on test day. You don't have to rely on rumors, hearsay, or unofficial resources. Everything you need for the Canadian citizenship test comes straight from the official IRCC study guide. Discover Canada: The Rights and Responsibilities of Citizenship. You can download it for free in PDF, audio, or ebook format directly from the IRCC website. The test draws questions from 5 main areas: Canadian history, government and political system, geography, symbols and identity, and rights and responsibilities. This means you'll need to understand everything from Indigenous heritage and Canada's confederation to voting, jury duty, and respecting the rights and freedoms of others. Focusing on this guide will make your preparation much more effective and give you the confidence to answer questions accurately on test day. Preparation is absolutely key. Most applicants can pass the Canadian citizenship test on their first try with a solid study plan. Start by reading the Discover Canada guide thoroughly. Take detailed notes on important dates, historical events, and political structures, and make sure to review regularly. Practice is just as important as reading. Mock tests are invaluable because they simulate the real exam, helping you track your timing and identify areas where you need improvement. Platforms like Mockmaster offer realistic Canadian citizenship mock tests that give you hands-on experience and boost your confidence. For a more structured and guided approach, courses from A1 Australia walk you step by step through every section of the test, making sure you master both knowledge-based questions and tricky scenarios efficiently. Joining study groups, reviewing the guide multiple times, and sticking to official content are all smart strategies. Remember, all questions on the test come directly from Discover Canada. So focus your preparation where it really counts. Once you complete the exam, results are usually provided quickly. If you pass, congratulations. Your score is recorded and you may be scheduled for a citizenship ceremony, the final step where you take the oath of citizenship. Some applicants might also have a brief follow-up interview with an IRC officer to verify documents or language proficiency. If you don't pass on your first attempt, don't worry, it's not the end of the road. You can retake the test. And many applicants pass on their second try with proper preparation. After 2 unsuccessful attempts, IRCC may schedule an oral interview to assess your knowledge and language skills. Repeated failures could eventually lead to a hearing, so it's best to be prepared from the start. The key to success is consistent practice. Using Mockmaster for realistic Canadian citizenship mock tests helps you simulate the actual exam, track your timing, and identify areas for improvement. For a more structured approach, a One Australia courses guide you step by step through every section, ensuring you're confident and ready for test day. The Canadian citizenship test is a big step, but completely achievable with the right preparation. Make sure you master the Discover Canada guide, practice regularly, and focus on understanding the key values, rights, and responsibilities that come with being a Canadian citizen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and check the description for links to helpful mock tests and preparation resources, including Mockmaster and A1 Australia. Good luck on your journey to becoming a Canadian citizen. I'll see you in the next video.